You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to fix screen recording not working on your iPhone. First, ensure screen recording is actually added to your control center. Open the Settings app, tap Control Center, and scroll to find screen recording under More Controls. If it is not in the included controls list, tap the green plus icon next to it to add it. Now, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. Firmly press the screen recording icon, which looks like two circles. Make sure the microphone icon is set to your preference. It should be red if you want to record your voice. If it still does not work, check your device storage in Settings, General, iPhone Storage, as a full storage can block recording. Also, restart your iPhone by holding the side button and volume button until you see the power slider, then slide to power off and turn it back on. Another common fix is to check for a software update in Settings, General, Software Update. If you are using guided access, turn it off in Settings, Accessibility, Guided Access. Finally, ensure no other app is using your microphone or camera, as this can conflict. Close all apps from the app switcher and try again. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.